Hey guys, it's Bernie, and I'm a hippo. And today, we're going to the bank. And today, we're going to buy a house.
Whee!
Buying a home is complex and is one of the most important decisions that you're ever going to make.
Come on, man.
But today, we're going to make it easy and go through the basic essentials to help you buy a house.
Thank you!
The first thing you need to buy a house, you need income. There are many forms of income, but the basic definition of income is what your job pays you when you work for them. Therefore, if you're a firefighter or a policeman or a software engineer, you get paid from this position. And the money that they pay you is called your income.
Okay, let's go, baby!
If you have no income, then you cannot buy a house. The second thing that you need to buy a house is a good credit score. Your credit score can be between 300 to 850. 300 is very bad. You can't buy any house with a bad credit score.
Oh, my God.
Therefore, you want to be as far away from 300 as possible. Being above 650 is decent, but an 850 credit score is amazing.
Woohoo!
If you have an 850 credit score, then you're a superstar. But if you have a bad credit score and you do buy a house, you're going to pay a lot more money than a person who has a good credit score.
Oh, come on!
With a bad credit score, your options are limited.
Oh, my God.
The higher your credit score, the less money you pay in interest.
Yes!
And the bigger loan amounts you can be approved for.
Oh, yeah!
When you get a home loan to buy your house, you have to pay interest on your loan.
What?
Interest is the portion of the loan that is paid to the bank. It's their fee for lending you the loan.
Thank you.
So, your payment is divided into two parts. The principal, this is the loan, and the interest, this is the fee. Put these two together and you have a home loan.
Come on.
The third thing that you need is called reserves. This is money that you saved in the bank.
Whee!
The lender looks for minimum 3 months, meaning that you've kept at least 3 months' reserves in the bank.
Let's go.
The reserves can be proven by a bank statement. A bank statement tells all the details of your bank account for the month. So, a January bank statement tells all the details of January. The reserves usually show that you have enough money for a down payment, closing costs, and escrow payment. A down payment is the portion of money that you have to pay up front to the house, and the rest of the house is bought by the house loan. Let's say, if you have a 10% down payment of $1,000, then you have $100 for a down payment to buy your house. Now that you have your income, excellent credit score, and reserves, let's look at a few more things to complete the process. You may need a home inspection.
What?
A home inspection looks for any damages to the house that needs to be replaced. You don't want to buy the house if it needs any repairs. New homes will be spotless, but existing houses may need repairs before they can be bought. You will also need an appraisal. An appraisal is when you look at a house and see how much the true value of the house is. You only want to buy a house for the price of the true value. You don't want to buy a house for $100 and the true value of the house is only $50. Now, you are paying more for a house than what you should be paying for it. This is a term called being upside down. Look at our video of being upside down to learn more about why being upside down is scary. The next thing you need to buy a house is home insurance. Insurance is money paid by an insurance company to repair or replace property that you own. In this case, home insurance is money paid to replace or repair your home. Some states require you to have home insurance. Before you go shopping for a house, go to a loan officer and get pre-approved first. Pre-approved means that you have been approved for a home loan and now you're ready to shop for a home.
Woo!
When you're pre-approved, you know exactly what type of house that you can buy and the largest amount that you can buy it for. Speak to your loan officer to find the right home loan for you. A loan officer will analyze your home buying needs and find you the right mortgage. Lastly, when you start looking for a house, you're going to need someone to help you do it. That's when you will need a real estate agent. A real estate agent helps find you a house. They also negotiate with the seller of the house on your behalf to get you the best deal on the home. Woohoo! Wow, that was a lot of information. Rewind the video to go through everything that we spoke about. We spoke about income, credit score, reserves, and down payment. We spoke about closing costs, escrow payment, home insurance, appraisals, home inspections, and real estate agents.
Yay!
I'm so happy you were able to join me today in learning how to buy a house.
Woo!
Did you like the adventure that we went on today?
Yeah!
Subscribe to our channel and like this video to see more Animal Bank. Now, join us in our next video where we take all of our knowledge and actually go out and buy a house. Let's go!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.